Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw, guys. We are setting up for a major, I mean a massive move for Fetch.ai. I'm about to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down on this video. Subscribe to the channel. If you want continued Fetch updates, give me a thumbs up. If you don't, give me a thumbs down. We're doing all these altcoin videos, and I am only going to continue the rotation of altcoins based upon thumbs ups and thumbs downs. If you don't thumb up it enough, I won't do it. If there's too many thumbs downs, I won't do it. So give us a thumbs up if you want to see it, guys. All right, taking a look at Fetch on the the monthly Binance chart. Now, what I want to show you down below, this indicator down below, this is called the Bjorn Volatility Indicator, okay? You can only get this in the VIP Discord. I created this indicator, and it is the only indicator you will ever need. Watch how powerful this thing is, and it can never, ever be wrong. It cannot be wrong. It is not a predictive indicator. It shows you exactly what's happening with direction of price and volatility, okay? Which means the rate or aggressiveness which a move is headed, whether it be to the upside or the downside. So click on over to anthonyleeraw.com right here. Here's the home page. You can click VIP Discord at the top to join. You get this indicator for free in the VIP Discord. It is yours to use for life. Back to Fetch. All right. So down below this orange line, lower orange line here, okay, this is the 15th percentile. I've put this on here. Anytime price dips below that, it's called volatility contraction. When it comes back up above it, it is called volatility expansion. I'm talking about the multicolor line. The dark gray line, which you can make any color you want, mine is dark gray, is stochastic. When volatility comes below to contraction and then back to expansion, that is when the biggest moves possible can happen, okay? And I'm on the monthly time frame, which is a powerful time frame, okay? You can expand from not underneath the 15, but when you are underneath the 15 and expand, those are huge moves. Okay, it's only happened 4 times ever in the history of Fetch on the monthly time frame, and we are right here, guys, about to get it for the 5th time, okay? We don't quite have it. We will get it at the end of this month, okay? The direction of price will be determined by the direction of stochastic, okay? Just because volatility is headed up, that does not mean price is headed up, okay? Volatility just means a massive move is happening, okay? The direction of stochastic, the dark gray line, tells us which direction. Now, here we go. Here are the past expansions for Fetch. There are the circles. That's where we expanded at. Let's go back to the Fetch price, and you can see at the time that you expanded, I'm going to go ahead and highlight these out for you, show you the direction. Twice was headed up. You can see at the time of expansion, we had the dark gray line, stochastic line headed up, and twice was headed down, right? So it means we have big moves up and big moves down, okay? Now let's go look at the charts. Here are those are the levels. So I have thrown the vertical white lines to show you clearly at which point you got expansion. And here are the amounts. You can see on the first volatility expansion, you got a move of 860%, guys. 860% from bottom to top. Then you consolidated down, and then you got another move up of 1,460%, and I'll show you at the second expansion. The last 2 expansions you got, stochastic was headed down. You got a move down of 73%, followed by another move down of 80%. And you would have caught all of these moves while skipping this little middle section, and I'll show you how. See, I had this little middle section of sideways and down. It's not really a small down move either. If we throw the ruler on, it's a 74% move down, but you could have avoided that. You could have kept all of your profits. How? Well, the way that we get out of these trades is when the volatility move ticks to the side or down. So like right here, let's zoom back in. You would have ticked to the side right here. So you're headed up, and then you ticked over 1 notch. That is your get out signal. So you would have gotten out and avoided that 74% drawdown. Okay, as volatility was coming back down. And as soon as it expanded back to the upside here, you re-enter the long or re-spot buy and ride up. And again, same thing. As soon as it ticked over, it peaked right there and started ticking to the downside. That's when you get out. So you would have caught the maximum of all of these trades by using that. Okay, does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. And you've gotten other ticks to the upside. Let's look at one more here. Like right here, you got a tick to the upside, but you weren't under full contraction down here, but still powerful move to the upside and volatility. At the time, stochastic was headed up, and you got this huge move up right here, okay? And how much was this move? Let's go take a look at it. From the time we got tick to the upside, that's another 1,600% move up, guys. And you would have got out perfectly in time, too, because as soon as you ticked over to the side right there, boom, it tells you to get out. So you caught the entire move. And going back to today's price action, I'll zoom back in. We don't have expansion yet. We're working on it right here. You can see we're working on it. You should get expansion at the close of this month, close of July, open of August. So July 31st, August 1st, you should expand over just like that, okay? Now, currently, stochastic is ticked sideways, okay, slightly down, but mostly sideways. It's too soon to call which direction that's going to be, but as soon as we open up the month of August and this crosses to expansion, you can expect a massive move. Whichever direction stochastic flips to, whether it's the upside or the downside, you can expect a huge move. And in the VIP Discord, I will be letting you know on August 1st which direction stochastic has ticked when that August the 1st opens. So join us in the VIP Discord, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. You can get your own indicator, or I will just let you know what I do with that trade. But either way it goes, we are looking for a huge move either to the downside on Fetch or to the upside on Fetch. So join us. I'll see you guys next time.